Hi, my name is Dr. Stephanie Mulick. I'm an optometrist at Tayani Institute, and this video is to explain how to log into your AWS and our Nextgen system. In our Google Drive called Logging into Nextgen, and the first step above was the login for the computers, which I didn't want to share on this video. But the second step, once you're in the computer, is to click on this Nextgen on the Windows desktop. It'll say Nextgen AWS. You don't want it to say Excel or Test AWS. You want to make sure it says Nextgen. So that's that. And then once you click on it, you're going to be prompted to enter your credentials. So this is an example, like Tayani, and then example password. So there's going to be typically like a letter and then Tayani and then a password that you'll be giving, and that's called your AWS login. Once you're logged in there, you're going to get a little screen that shows it's connecting, and then you're going to see it should have yourself, or it's not going to say your name, but it'll say some random name, and then you'll have a random name with Tayani pop up there. And then once you're in, you're going to click on this Nextgen 5. That's actually the app to get into Nextgen. So once you click on the Nextgen 5, you'll see this bar pop up, and we're going to go for back office purposes into EHR. If you're doing this for front office, then they use the PM, practice management, but we use the electronic health records. Once we're in there, excuse me, we are going to see this screen, and you can type in your username and password and make sure the practice says Tayani Institute and log in. And that would be called your Nextgen login. So you have two logins. It is very important once you're logged in to select the proper location. If we don't select the proper location, then we don't get to bill insurance properly, and it's a big headache. So make sure wherever you see the patient is where the location is selected. The next screen will have providers. So it's important, again, just like the location, to select the proper provider that the patient is seeing. And once you do that, you should be in and ready to go. Thank you.